What's going on, everybody? Out here at the site of the Universal project that's supposed to be happening here in Las Vegas, right next to Area 15. Here's just checking out the construction progress that's been going on so far. Alright, so as we can see, since my last update, they have knocked down all of the buildings on this side. So it looks like we're just still in the early phases. Nothing going on too crazy. So keep in mind the area. This is literally across the freeway from the strip. So you got like the Encore and the Wynn, you got Trump Towers, you got Treasure Island, you got the Mirage. Now this is on the other side of where I was just filming. This is a different view of the construction that's going on. Now on this side, I'm not too sure what's going on, if they're gonna use this still as like office space, but it is fenced off as well. I know in the concept art, it looks like there was some buildings that were to the right of where the attraction is gonna be. I don't know if these are that, but these buildings, as for now, as of Friday, April 28th, these buildings are still there, but fenced off. Alright, everybody, just wanted to come out and give you a quick little update. I live nearby, so I thought I'd pop in again and check out what's been going on over here. Nothing much to update. Catch you guys later.